Hello, I'm back again with another AMC 10 preparation video from that same book. Before we start off, I'd like to say a joke that somebody told me in class that I thought was really funny. If you have a circle of, with a radius of 9 and a circumference of 37, what is the area? Now, the joke is that the circumference is not 37. And when I heard that, I thought it was really funny because in math, the problem is always what you go off of, but in this case, the problem is just wrong. Okay, now on to the problems. Find x if 2x minus y over 5 is equal to x plus y over 10 is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, first thing I'd like you to notice is that over here we have a minus y, and over here we have a positive y. Now, these are also proportional, all of these, and I'm going to teach you a little something about proportions. If I have 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 6 is equal to 4 over 8, that is the same thing as saying, here, let's change this case from 4 over 8 to 5 over 10 so that you guys don't get confused. Okay, so if you add these up in the denominator, you get 8. And if you add these up in the numerator, you get 4. And the thing to notice is that all of these are all the same. They're all equal to 0.5. So when I have this, I can simply add up the denominator and add up the numerator, which is a spectacle marvel, if you will. Okay? And like I said before, this is really helpful because now the y's cancel. That is just equal. The minus y and the y, those both cancel out. Then you have the 2x plus x. So we have 3x over 15. And remember, that is equal to that right there. Is equal to 3 over 5. Now this time I can just solve it creating the same denominator. So if I multiply this top by 3 and this top by bottom, I will get 3x over 15 is equal to 9 over 15. Okay, that means that 3x is equal to 9, so x is equal to 3. Okay, now that's a pretty cool trick because not only do you not need to know y, you solve it using this cool proportional trick, I guess. And when I saw this problem, I really liked it. Okay, a triangle with side lengths in the ratio 5, 12, and 13, 5 to 12 to 13, is inscribed in a circle of diameter 91. What is the area of the triangle? Okay, so the first thing I'd like to point out is that these are proportional. So it's not that its lengths are 5, 12, and 13. It would be 5x, 12x, 13x. So, oh, and another thing to notice is that this is a right triangle, 5, 12, and 13. It's one of the Pythagorean triplets. So, if you draw the circle, another cool thing to note is that this length will be the 13x. And then you'll have this length be 12, the 12x. And then this length will be the 5x. And this right here, this is the diameter, which is another really special property that this triangle has with relations to circles. So we already know the diameter is also 91. So that means that 13x equals 91. That makes x equal to 7. Okay? So now that we know that this 5x is just 5 times 7, which is 35. This 12x is 12 times 7, which is 84, I would like to think. I hope. And so, you know what? We don't even need to I was thinking about solving it length times height divided by 2, but I don't even think that it's, or you know what, we will. You could have just solved it as, instead of even just adding the fractions, you could just say 12 times 7 times 5 times 7 divided by 2 times 5 times 7. Whoopsie daisies. Last video too, I had a lot of mistakes. And then you would just cancel these out. And then I already know that this is equal to 1,470. Or you could just do 85 times 35 divided by 2, but that's going to take a lot longer. But you should still get the same answer. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that you all like these videos. If there's anything I can improve on, if you guys have a way I could hold the camera so that it will focus in on the paper better, please let me know in the comments down below.